Good day, folks. This is just going to be a short little video. GoPro is getting ready to release a brand new GoPro on the 29th of March, so in 2 days from now. Nick Woodman talked back at CES about releasing a new lower-cost GoPro. Basically, the strategy is that they introduce a new low-cost GoPro. People who have never owned one might buy it and like it and upgrade to a more expensive flagship camera down the road. Whether that will work or not, who knows? I think they've tried similar tactics in the past with not the greatest of success. So an online shop added it to its inventory a little too early, kind of jumped the gun, and took it down shortly after, but not before the internet was able to copy it. So on the screen there, you're just seeing some pictures of it from the original ad that went up. Now, if you want more detailed specs on the camera, you can head to my website, airphotography.ca. I'm going to include all the specs that were released with it when this company had put it up online, and you can read a little bit more about it. Now, it's not going to be a camera for most of us because it is heavily stripped down. If you already own a Hero 5 or Hero 6, definitely would be a big downgrade. It might be good if you want a secondary camera, an inexpensive secondary camera just for getting different angles. But basically, it's not compatible with the Karma drone, so I'm assuming not the Karma grip either. Not compatible with the remotes. It's not compatible with their microphone adapter, so you can't add third-party microphones. I believe from what I've read, and I've read a couple different conflicting reports that it's only going to be doing max of 1080 at 60 frames per second, but I've also read that it will be doing 1440, so I'm not quite sure there. We probably won't 100% know until Thursday, I guess, when it comes out. I'll include some links down in my channel description if you want to go to my website and read more of the exact specs of the camera that were leaked, and you can check that out. Now, one thing I'm a little confused about, and I'm not sure why they have it referenced. If you notice in the original article, it says GoPro Hero, and then in brackets it says Smoky. So I don't know if that's what they're nicknaming it, or if it's going to be offered in different colors. Maybe that's the Smoky version. Maybe it'll be offered in blue and pink. But who knows? I guess we'll know more on Thursday. Now, once the camera gets released, I will be picking it up, and I'll do a unboxing like I normally do, a review, and, kind of go over the specs and see what kind of capabilities it has. Well, folks, that's all the information I have right now. If I learn anything new in the meantime, I'll add it to the website, to the same article. I'll just add an update thing down at the bottom, and you can read that if you so choose. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.